Okay, first of all, you have to create Flutter project with template empty application, add dependency dchart package with new version 2.6.7 then running on your platform. Here I'm running on Windows platform. Next, for data, we copy from web documentation. Dchart Netlify app. Example, combo, we will use domain type time. Here, the data is here, and for if you want to grouping your data to variable, you can use like this, or you can set inside group list. For example, from variable like here, copy, create new file, combo chart dot dart stl combo chart. First, we call from main body center combo chart back to combo chart file, copy and paste here, import the chart. Next, placeholder change to aspect ratio as wrapper widget chart. Child, the chart combo T because domain type time. Group list, we add from variable time group, save. Okay, now as you can see, the combo chart not show in window platform. Okay, next. For property like low sliding, animated duration, and other, you can see the detailed information or explanation in another video like line chart or pie chart or bar chart or scatter chart in the link in description. For area color, indices only available on line chart, bar label value for bar chart, config render bar for bar chart, line for line chart, point for scatter chart. But in combo chart, you can use all of this config render, three of these. This pattern for line chart, domain axis, for all type chart, you can use uh, in many charts. But for explanation, you can see in video bar chart. Fill color, fill pattern, fill color, you can use for plot point or scatter and bar chart. Fill pattern for bar chart to pattern here, pattern bar item. Play vertical for all data except for bar chart. Now, if you use combo chart and use play vertical, we set true. Line chart and scatter will be flip, but for bar chart will be gone like this because still not support for bar chart. Because the chart is built on top community chart Flutter, I search from that package for until now there are no way to how to fix this bug for bar chart flip. So they are not available to flip the bar chart. Next, um, inside bar label style and outside bar label style for bar chart. Next, layout margin for all chart, like combo, line chart, then scatter chart. Measure axis for managing axis inside y-axis or measure axis. The description you can watch in link description on video bar chart. Now, what's the difference if we use domain time? In domain time, there are data in domain type is the time. You can modify or styling in domain axis. Go to domain axis here. Okay, save. Now, if you want custom your label here, you can use formatter, label formatter, where this property will active if you use time domain like combo T, line T, getter T, yeah. Label formatter, they are function which one parameter at a time. The return type is string. You can use that format because that format here came from package NTL. You have to add dependency NTL, ENTL. You can check to dependency here, ENTL with new version 0.18.1. Next, that format, sorry, still analyzing. We have to wait until it's done. Okay, that format, okay, now detected. That format we use custom. We want to show mon and that. For example, mon, like this. Like auk or may or dex or gen or feb like this. And that like this, gd. Format, add property here that time. Okay, save. Now all of item label will format like this. Out 26, out 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, September 1. If you want custom for that, if there are digit 0 in from number, you can clear this. You can set also with dynamic that D1 save like this. Or if you want see your year, you can set also years, like for example here, comma year, save like this. But if you use year here or year 2 digit, there are no space to show another label. To fix this behavior, you can set in property minimum padding between label. The default is 0. But you can also set minimum size, for example, min 10. Now, as you can see, the label will be shown, but yeah, this is will be affected to label here. You can set again increase 6 or maybe like 8 or zip. Now for this length label, because to length to show label item, you can use property label rotation. Label rotation here, starting point at center right equal to 0 degree. If you set to point to 45, maybe like this, now more clearly to readable the label. For example, you can change to T or 90 like this, and so on. To set this label center or after or another, you can use label anchor or line label based on tick domain here. Label anchor, for example, after, before, and middle, sorry, center, but label anchor here will work if you set the label rotation is 0. If not 0, label anchor different have different behavior. So that's pros and cons. How to set label rotation and combine with label anchor. Okay, next, if you want custom for like example color, you can also color here for fill color, but fill color will active only in um, bar chart or scatter chart here, scatter plot point. For each item, you can set here color, for example, colors green, like this, green, and another color. This is use random, but if you not a random color, you can set, for example, here in group colors amber. This is for group 1 color um purple and red. Save. Okay. Now the color of first that the first item data color screen not show. To use this item data, you can set from property like fill color and access from here from time data like return time data dot color. But if there are data not contain color, for example, data 2, 3, or 4, will be use group color. We can set if null, use group color, group dot color, like this, save. For only one or first data will be use colors here. Okay, this is maybe for um how to show combo chart and some property in time domain. For another here, you can check on each video like line chart or bar chart or scatter chart. See you in the next video.